Namaste all of you, my dear kids and lovely parents of SVB. In this difficult situation of COVID-19, hope you all are safe and well at your home. A special hello to all my kids. I'm missing you too much. Dear all, let's have some enjoyable studies at home through Extra Marks app, the message for which is already been given to your parents. Along with the great company of your parents and the full support of your teachers and guidance of your teachers, you need to use this time very fruitfully. We are going through a crucial time, but kids, still we should not waste time and we should spend this time using it very carefully and fruitfully. So let's start today with math subject through Extra Marks app. I hope you all have downloaded it from the Play Store. Once again, quickly I'll brief you how to download it and how to use it. When you will write Extra Marks app in Play Store, when you will type, you will get this kind of symbol, and when you will open it, it will show like this. Here you need to write the school code which has been already been given to you. The code is GJ1392. It's GJ1392. Then when you will do next, the next page will show. There you have to write there your personal details, and then when again you will do next, then the page will show where all the subjects will be given. From there you have to select mathematics. I'm talking right now today for class 4. There when you will select mathematics, all the topics will come. The first topic will be number. And when you will click there, it will show you 4 subtopics. First subtopic is Indian system of numeration. So today your work is to do that topic only, Indian system of numeration, and then the test will be there. You have to attempt that test also. Today let's learn about Indian number system. Number system tells us how to write a number and how to read a number. In India, we follow Indian number system. So before getting the information about Indian number system, let's see some numbers. First number is having 1 digit, so it is called 1 digit number. Second is having 2 digits, so it is called 2 digit number. The third one, 1, 2, 3, so it is called a 3 digit number. Likewise, 4 digit number, this is 5 digit number, this is 6 digit number, and this is 7 digit number. Now how to write these numbers and how to read them, so we can understand Indian number system is been divided into groups. Can you see here? This is the group name ones, this is thousands, and this is lakhs. So each number is having its own house, its own place in that house, and its own value. This first house, ones, is divided into 3 places: ones, tens, hundreds. Each number is having its own place and own value. Let's talk about the first number. The number is 3. It is under the heading ones. The place of 3 is ones. Let's see the another number. 7 tens, 4 ones. The number is 74. The place of 4 is ones. The place of 7 is tens. The value of 4 is 4. The value of 7 is 70. 70. Let's see another this 3-digit number. So when somebody asks you what is the place of this number 4, you will say ones. What is the place of this number 7? You will say tens. What is the place value of this number 4 is 4. What is the place value of this number 7? 70. 70. Now let's move down. See this 3-digit number. 6 ones, 5 tens, 2 hundreds. Number is 256. 6. The place of 6 is ones. The place of 5 is tens. The place of 2 is hundreds. Value of 6, 6. Value of 5, 50. Value of 2, 200. This house consists numbers up to 3-digit, right from 1-digit number to 3-digit number. Now let's move to another house, that is thousands. It is having 2 places, 1000, 10,000. In short, it can be written as TH, TTH. Now let's see another this 4-digit number. 4,000, 200, 5 tens, 6 ones. So we will read it as 4,256. Let's move to 5-digit number. 7, 10,000, 5,000, 600, 2 tens, 2 ones. That means how we will read it? See, the house, the same house, both the places will be read together. Like 75,000, 75,000, 622. So let's see. The place of this 2 is ones. The place of this 2 is tens. The place of this 6 is hundreds. The place of this 5 is thousands. This place of 7 is 10,000. Let's see their value. 2, value 2. This 2, value 2020. Value of this 6, 600, 600. Value of this 5, 5,000. Value of this 7, 70,000. Now let's move to another home. Heading is legs. Heading is legs. And again 2 places are there. Leg, 10 leg. Leg is having 6-digit numbers. 8 leg, 75,622. Let's read this last 7-digit number. I told you the house, the same house, the places numbers will be read together. 72 lakh, 72 lakh, 76,521. So this way we need to read them. Now how to write them? They are separated by using commas. Numbers from the right hand side, these three numbers are from one house, that is ones. So now they are separated by a comma, because this fourth number will be from house of 1000. So as soon as another house comes, before that we put a comma. Here again 5-digit number. First three numbers, this from the right side, are from ones home. So to separate them from the thousands, comma has been used. Let's see this another number. This is a 6-digit number. First this three are from ones home, so comma. These two are from thousands, comma, and the last one is from the lakh house. Likewise, here also see the last 7-digit number. It has been also separated by the commas. So ultimately, to separate them from another one's house, comma is used. So we can recognize by seeing the comma. We can recognize their house, we can read easily, and we can understand the number easily. Now quickly once again have a look on place and place values. First of all, see this number, read this number. Now we can read it confidently. 4,256. 6. The place, somebody asks you, the place of 6, ones. The place of 5, tens. The place of 2, hundreds. The place of 4, thousands. One start from the right side. Place value. Place value. Now talk about place value. 6 is having the value 6. 5 is having the value 5050. This 2 is having the value 200. 4 is having the value 4000. Once again, you need to go through this chart and understand it. And so on, again you have to see the numbers, how they are separated by the commas. And now try to write them in number names, in spellings. And a very small fun activity in the form of home assignment also you need to do. What you have to do? You have to collect 7-digit landline numbers or either 6-digit pin codes of different areas. All the numbers, you have to at least 10 numbers you have to collect of 6-digit and 7-digit. 6-digit in the form of pin codes of different areas and 7-digit numbers in the form of landline phone numbers. And then you have to make a place value chart on a piece of paper or either whatever you have, A4 size paper or in a notebook, and there you need to write all those numbers. So this will again clear your Indian number system. So this much for today, and again for the next day I'll guide you how to proceed. Thanks a lot.